It doesn't matter who we are. What matters is our plan.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got something super exciting for you in this video. So today we're installing some fender flares. Let's talk about the steps needed to install these fender flares. We took 3 steps. Step 1, the placement of the flare. That's perfect placement right there. Step 2, cutting into the car. Step 3, driving the car to make sure everything fits correctly. Alright guys, we're about to start the process. A little nerve-wracking, but we're gonna see if we can figure this out. It should be pretty easy, especially with slapper wrap. That's perfect placement right there. We're gonna put it right here. So we currently are doing test fitting with Clecos, I believe they're called. I'm not too sure. But so far, there's no really gaps. It's really flush. You can see we're gonna do all of them like this first and get the fitment. And then once we get the fitment, we're gonna take the wheel off and start cutting. We got the back fenders lined up. It's looking pretty good. These right here. We are gonna have to do some minor adjustments to the fender itself, but so far, it's looking pretty good. And these are stock wheels I have on right now, so now we just gotta do the front ones. As you can see, we ran out of Clecos. We've been swapping them, but there's a bit of a gap. Not sure. Yeah, you can see the light going through it. So hopefully we can fix that with, I'm not sure yet, some RTV, or we're gonna see how it fits, but we are gonna have to fix that. So I'm not a professional. Now, this is how it's looking. So we cut a portion right here, as you can see. And now we're gonna bring out the wheels. So I'm gonna show you real quick what we actually have to add in order to fit these. And these are adapters. Since I do have a Wrx, I have a 5x100, and the wheels I'm putting on are 5x114. Wheels are put in are, boom, Z40s. Yeah, Volk Z40s, bronze, super clean.
Be sure to clean them up before you reveal them.
Yeah, so these are actually Diego's old wheels. These are actually 18 by 10 plus 35. So we have them on. So we actually only need to cut a little bit more just for the bumps, in case we hit the bumps and the tire goes up. So we had to make a cut right here.
Something like that.
And then something similar on this side, going diagonal like that. Tell me what you guys think about the new wheels. So you can see that they're gonna be poking out of the car a little bit. And we're gonna go lower, right?
I'm gonna put this fender flare here, at least a lip right here.
But we'll see. And now we just got the front to do, so hopefully that goes as smooth as this, and that's gonna be a piece of cake. The front one we have to worry about is we gotta turn the car on and then turn the wheel, make sure it clears the bumper, because I'm not trying to cut the bumper. We also had to cut into the bumper. Because technically what I want to do with these fender flares, I want to cut the slit where the bumper goes. That way it's just from the rear panel and back. A quick update. Look at these, how it's fitting. Basically the specs on the back wheels are 18 with a 2mm offset. But look at the fronts. The fronts look so good. This is insane to me. Because we didn't mess with any of the offset on this or the camber. So this is just how it's fitting. You can see how close it is. We also had to cut into the bumper, which I didn't want to, but it was a must in order to get these to turn. And then we also had to do some chafing on the inner liner of the fender to be able to fit these. And these are 265s. So in the future, I am planning on running either 285s or 295s. So regardless, this was gonna have to happen. So we're just trying to think ahead and see how it's gonna be in the future. And we also cut the front fender. So now this is how it looks. It's insane. I'm in love with this fitment. Like, just look at this. This looks insane. This is the other side. You can see it looks really good, really flush. Now we're gonna take it out for a drive. Well guys, we finally drove the car for the first time with the fender flares, and there was a lot of, not issues, but we were rubbing a little bit. Not a little bit, but we're rubbing a lot. We gotta cut all of this, and then we also gotta cut this and the fender liner. And then in the front, I think the front was just a fender liner that we were rubbing. So we do gotta cut that. That's pretty much it. The fender flares is done, besides the rivets that we still gotta put in. But what's the quote of the day?
What is it?
All right. The quote of the day is, The more you know, the less you fear. And let's put that in perspective. I don't know much about cutting into fenders, you know, so I was fearful, but this man, he has years of experience. The more you know, he knows about cutting, the less you fear. Knowledge is power, bro. All right, guys, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. And if you have any questions about the fender flare install, leave a comment and I will reply to every single comment related to this or any other comment, you know. We're pretty much done for this video. So we have everything set up as you see. Guys, we still got some more things coming, so stay tuned. And if you like the channel, you know, give a like and subscribe if you want to. You don't really have to, but with that said, you can follow my socials down below as well as Slapper Wrx logo. And then we can put all his socials down below as well. So anyways, hopefully you enjoyed the video. With that, we're out. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.